Hello, and thank you for watching. Here's the video on carbon monoxide poisoning leading to wrongful death. What is poisoning from carbon monoxide? People initially experience moderate symptoms including headaches, nausea, dizziness, shortness of breath, and confusion. What causes carbon monoxide gas leaks? Generators, small spaces, overnight leaks, temporary structures, and close proximity to an exhaust. Who can be responsible for a wrongful death? Product designer, manufacturer, or the party that marketed, sold, or installed the product. Contact a California wrongful death attorney today by calling 844-522-7752. Schedule your consultation with us today. Thank you for watching.